Want to create viral industrial shredder videos like these for free? In this video, I'll show you the complete process from start to finish. Let's see how you can create these videos. To make the process easy, I prepared a master prompt for you. You'll find the download link in the description. At the top of the prompt, you'll notice an object section. Simply replace it with the name of whatever item you want the shredder to destroy. Leave everything else exactly as it is, and copy the entire prompt. Once that's done, open Google Flow and create a new project. Before generating the video, make sure your settings match the ones I'm using here. Next, paste the prompt into the prompt box. At the top, where it says Object, type the item you want to shred. Now, click Generate and wait a few moments while Google Flow creates the video. As you can see, the output looks incredibly realistic. The video quality is outstanding, and the shredding physics look amazingly realistic. That's all there is to it. You can repeat the same process with different objects and generate unlimited industrial shredder videos for free. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to learn more AI content creation methods, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.